Hello students, in maths, third chapter name is equal sharing. Let us see how do we divide 48 chocolates among 6 group. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, set a 1 for each group. Okay, look at the next. 6 chocolates, 1 chocolates to each group. Next again 1 chocolate to each group. 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6 chocolates. Again here 6 chocolates. So, how much chocolates finished now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2 times 12, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 6, 36. We have 48 chocolates, right? We have 48 chocolates. Here 36 chocolates finished. Next year. Again 6 chocolates shared. Here now 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 chocolates finished. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 42 plus 6 is 48. So how many chocolates in each group now? How many chocolates in each group? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chocolates in each group. Like this, we can divide chocolates or sweets. Okay. How can we write this? Let us see. 48 divided by 6. Here 48 is dividend, 6 is divisor. Okay. 6 how many times 48? 6 into 8, 48, right? So what is the answer here? 8. 6 8 times 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. Here 8 is quotient. 8 quotient. 6 divisor. 6 divisor. And 48 is dividend. 48 dividend. 0 is remainder. Okay. 48 dividend, 8 quotient, 6 divisor, 0 remainder. Is it clear now? See this. You can see here table. You can see 4 classes. 5th C, 6th A, 6th B, 6th C. And number of sweets. Number of sweets for 5th C, 70, 6th A, 96, 6th B, 84. And here we have to find out the answer. Okay, we should find out the missing details. Look at the number of groups here. Total number of sweets 70. Number of groups 5. So we have to find out the answer. 70 divided by 5. We have to find out number of sweets in each group. Okay. 70 divided by 5. Here 7. So 5 1 times 5, right? We should write here small number. Okay, we should write here small number than 7. Don't write big number. Okay. So here 5 ones are 5. Next 7 minus 5 is 2. So we should write here 2. 2 is the small number, right? So we cannot divide. We cannot divide by 5. So we should add. We should write this number also. This digit also. 0. Okay. Now you can see here 20. So 5 how many times 20? 5, 4 times 20. So we got here answer 14. 20 minus 20 is 0. So number of sweets in each group is 14. 14 we should write here. Next, here number of sweets is 96. Number of sweets in each group is 8. So we have to find out number of groups. Again, to find out number of groups, we have to divide 96 divided by 8. 96 divided by 8. Here also we should write the small number. Okay, consider the small number. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 6 we should write here. 8 how many times 16? 8 2 times 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So here quotient answer 12. So number of groups is 12. Look at the next one. 84. Dividend 84. Next number of groups 6, right? We have to find out number of sweets in each group. 84 divided by 6. 6 1 times 6. 6 1 times 6. Next step 8 minus 6 is 2. Next we should write this 4. 6 how many times 24? 6 4 times 24. Next 24 minus 24 is 0. So we should write 14. Number of sweets in each group is 14. Let us see the next one. Here number of sweets. We should find out total number of sweets. Number of group is 7. Number of sweets in each group is 12. To find out the total number of sweets, we have to multiply here. 12 into 7. 2 into 7, 14. So 4 we should write here. 1 here. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the answer here? Total number of sweets is 84. Is it clear? Let us see some questions. Here 168 rupees equally divided among 8. So we have to find out the amount each get. Okay, 8. So here 1 is the small number, so we should consider this 2 number also. 16 now. 16, okay. 8 2 times 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So we should write here 0. Then this 8 we should write here. 8 how many times 8? 8 ones are 8. So next step 8 minus 8 is 0. Here 21 is quotient, 8 divisor, 168 dividend, remainder 0. So each will get 21 rupees. If 168 rupees divided among 8, each will get 21 rupees. Let us see the next one. 175 rupees divided among 7. Let us find out the answer. 7. Here 1 is the small number, right? So we should consider this 2 number also. 17 now. 7 how many times? 7 2 times 14, right? We should write small number. Okay, we should write the small number here. Small number than 17. Okay. Don't write 21 here. If you are writing like that, answer will wrong. So 7 2 times 14. Next 17 minus 14. 3, right? So we should write here 3. 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. I am not writing this. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we should write here 3. Next this 5. 3 3 is the small number, right? So we cannot divide. So we should write this number also. 5. Now 35, right? 7. 5 times 35. 35 minus 35 is 0. Here each will get 25 rupees. Is it clear? 175 rupees divided among 7. Each will get 25 rupees. Look at the next one. 960 rupees divided among 3. So here 3 3s are 9, right? 3 3s are 9. So we have to write here 9, here 3. Next 9 minus 9 is 0. Next we should write this number 6. 3. How many times 6? 3. 2 times 6, right? So we should write here 6. Next 6 minus 6 0. Then we should write this 0 here. 3 into 0 0. Here answer 320. Each will get 320 rupees and remainder 0. Okay. When we divide 960 rupees among 3, each will get 320 rupees. Is it clear? Look at this question. 1752 divided by 12. 1752 divided among 12. Let us see the answer. 12 1 times 12. So here we have to write the small number, right? So 12 1 times 12. Next 17 minus 12 is 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So we should write here 5. 5 is the small number than 12. So we should write here this number also. 55. 12 how many times 55? It's not possible. So we should write 12 4 times 48. Okay. 55 is not possible. So we should write 12 4 times 48. Small number than 55. 12 4 times 48. 55 minus 4 7. 55 minus 48 is 7. Next we should write this 2. 72. 12 how many times 72? 12 6 times 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. We got here answer 146. When 1752 rupees divided among 12, each will get 146 rupees. Is it clear? Look at the next one. 14. Here 2 is the small number, so we should consider this 2 number also. 14 2 times 28. 14 2 times 28. 29 minus 28 is 1. So again 1 is the small number, right? So we should write this number. So again here 12 is the small number than 14. So we should write here 0. Okay. If you get small number again small number here, we should write 0 here. Okay, 0 here also, here and here. Next we should write this number 6. Now 126, right? 14 how many times 126? 14 9 times 126. 126 minus 126 is 0. So what is the answer? 209. Each will get 209 rupees. Here 14 is divisor, 2926 is dividend, 209 is quotient and remainder 0. Is it clear? Listen here. 64 divisor, 7 quotient, 0 remainder. Here we have to find out dividend. Okay, we have to find out dividend. How can we find out? to find out the dividend, we have to multiply this. 64 into 7. Okay, 64 into 7. 64 into 7. 7 4 times 28. So we should write here 8, 2 here. 7 6 times 42. 42 plus 2, 44. So here remainder is 0, right? Remainder is 0. So 448 plus 0 is 448. So dividend is 448. If there is any other number, we should add. If it is 1 here, we should add 1 to 448 to get dividend. Okay, here remainder is 0, so answer same. Let us see another example. We have to find out dividend. Here 16 divisor, 23 quotient, 8 remainder. Let us find out the answer. 23 into 16. First we have to multiply this. 16 into 23. 6 into 3, 18. So 8 we should write here, 1 here. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So we should write here 13. 1 into 3, 3. 3 we should write here. 1 into 2, 2. 8. 8 we should write here. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. So here 368. To get dividend, we have to add remainder, right? To get dividend, we should add remainder. So what is the answer? 368 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So we should write here 6. 1 here. 6 plus 1, 7. Plus 3 we should write. Right here. So dividend 376. Like this we can find out the dividend. Is it clear?